Hi world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is my hotel, guys, the Avanti. Just amazing. Massive big shopping centre over here that just goes for miles. I got really lost in there yesterday. Now, this was Luxury Escapes. For the people that are new to my channel, we booked a holiday before COVID through Luxury Escapes, and because of COVID it got cancelled, so I had all this credit with Luxury Escapes, so every now and again I treat myself to somewhere comfortable. Avanti Hotel, guys, this is just incredible. Had an amazing breakfast this morning. I'm here for 2 more nights, but today my Maxim driver that took me to the bus station when I was in KL a month ago, he's coming to pick me up. He's going to show me around 5 or 6 hours, show me around KL, and in that time we're not going to see much, but we will whet your appetite to come here yourself. But I'm waffling as usual, guys. I'm just going to wait for Pete to get here, and I'll speak to you later. And guys, you might remember Peter from my last Kuala Lumpur video. He drove me to the bus station, showed us the big bridge, or the big overpass. He's my tour guide for the day, and we're going to the temple first, I think you said. Yep, we're off to the temple, so I'll get the camera back out then. Yeah, guys, and our first stop is the Tian Hall Chinese temple, and it's like a lot of our Buddhist temples and Indian churches in Australia. They're shared by a lot of religions. During Chinese New Year, you wouldn't be able to get anywhere close to here with all the crowds. But there's quite a few people here already. And this is quite beautiful. We'll have a quick look inside. And Peter was just telling me they do a lot of MTV videos here, Chinese music. Look, I just happened to be here when they're filming. And here's the garden for the Chinese zodiac years. There's my horse, big muscly horse. It's very popular for weddings. The bride and groom here getting their photos taken. Here we are in the temple. Just take my shoes off. Whoop! Just about fell down the steps. Just have a quick look around here, and then I'm more excited about the view behind us. We just did a prayer for my luck. Now, looking at the lookout out over Kuala Lumpur. Just amazing, but you can see, is this pollution or just fog, Peter? Fog. Okay, so not pollution. Isn't this beautiful? The tropical city of Kuala Lumpur. And at the bottom of the temple there's this little food hall. Look here, there's 1, 2, 3, I think maybe 4 or 5 brides here. 1, 2, 3 actually in white, but there's other girls in other sort of costume. So yes, this is a very popular place to come and have your wedding photos. Oh, and this is the office where they register their marriages. And guys, this is the Media Square. This is where, whenever they have a national holiday and everything, this is where people come to celebrate. Amazing. This flag here is the tallest flagpole in Kuala Lumpur. Just beautiful, all these old buildings. Just incredible, guys. I wouldn't have seen any of this. I'll put Peter's WhatsApp number in the description down below, so you'll be able to find him when you come to KL. I strongly advise doing that, guys, because he'll show you around, give you an idea what to see, and then the rest of your trip to KL you can go and explore on your own. Look at this, guys. It's like apart from the domes, it looks very much like the town hall in Kalgoorlie. And when I say about the domes, straight across the road from the town hall is the, I forget the name of the hotel, but it's got those domes. So this is very Kalgoorlie-like. I'm sure it's about the same age. Peter, would this have been built in about 1840, 1850? Yes, it's very much the same style. Well, guys, now I'm at the KL Tower. I'm going to go up. Peter's not going up because it costs a bit to get in there. But look at this. Unbelievable. So I'm going to go up to the top now, show you what it's like from there. So this is the sky deck at the top of the tower. Now it was it cost me about 35 Australian to get up here, which is maybe a bit over $20 US, which is quite a bit of money, but it's worth it to get up here. This is just incredible, guys. Getting the view over KL. So guys, I'm lying on the floor at the skybox. Hopefully you can see how far that is below me. It was really weird walking out here. I don't feel fear like other people, but it really was. I was sort of little short steps to get out here. You can see the whole of Kuala Lumpur from here, but look at this building, sort of growing up into the clouds. Amazing, guys. This was really worth it. It wasn't cheap getting up here, but it was worth it. And there's another skybox here with the glass floor, so I'll get some more film of this one. You know what, there's a bit of a queue for that one. And, we've got a lot to see today, so I went out on the other one. That really was weird, guys, walking out on that glass. But, I'm going to head back down now. Peter's waiting for me downstairs. Now there's a nice little cafe and things there. You can have a meal or a cup of tea. And so yeah, definitely come up here and have a look, guys. But this building here, it's amazing, amazing. And these are my friends in the lift going down from the tower. This is a long trip in here, so I thought say hello.
Say hi. Hi.
And guys, this here's the KL Twin Towers. This is really famous. You can see the walk bridge in between the two towers. You can go up there for about 40 ringgit, which is about 15 Australian, about maybe $10 US. But I was just in the sky tower over there, so I'm not going to bother paying it. But yeah, if you don't want to pay the 35 Australian for the sky tower, you can always do this. But the sky tower was amazing, guys. Those glass floors, isn't that just amazing? This is the Twin Towers just here, guys. The KLCC, the KL Convention Centre is what it's actually called, but everyone knows it as the Twin Towers. And these are the dancing waterfalls, and at night time this is all lit up. They have music playing, and the waterfalls actually are choreographed to the music. But yeah, this is the towers here. It's very impressive looking building. And guys, this bus you'll see driving all around the city. You can get on and off it anywhere, and that takes you a tour of the city. And as you can see, you can sit on the roof in the open air, or if it's a too hot day or if it's a wet day, you can sit at the second half, which is air conditioned or heated depending on the weather. Well guys, this is the famous Batu Caves. Now there's 100 million videos of this. Every YouTuber that's ever been to Asia has been here. So I'm not going to do the steps. I'm not going to go up there because I'm lazy, basically. But I am going to wander around and show you things. But look at this. I'll show you when we get closer. It's just gorgeous. This is a very important place to both the Indians and the Chinese. The Chinese have a big festival here in December, I think. But the Indians have a big festival in January. And they'll walk from Penang, and they have to walk barefoot. And they'll walk all the way here, and they finish in the cave. And it's a it's a big festival. If I was here at that time, I'd be walking shoulder to shoulder with people. Just amazing, guys. Yeah, I'll put Peter's WhatsApp number in the description down below. You'll be able to find him. Do it, guys. Even if, I think I said this earlier, but even if you just go out with him for a few hours, get him to show you the basics, and then you can you've got an idea for what to see for the rest of your holiday. Just the Batu Caves. You've got to be careful here with the monkeys. They'll steal everything. And I can't really see any. Normally these whole steps would be covered in monkeys in all the videos I've seen. But anyway, I'll start filming when we get closer. And these are the stairs up. I think 262 steps or something. I'm not going to go up. And there's no monkeys. I don't know where all the monkeys are. But that's not a bad thing because they try and steal everything off you. And so I'm going to go and grab a cold drink, go and find Peter, head off to the next place. And guys, this is the Titiwangsa Park. The pathway around, it happens every time. There's a hedge now that I'm trying to tell you, but there's a path that goes around this park that's 2.5 kilometers long. It's a very, very relaxing walk. I'm not going to do it because there's so much to see today. We're off. I told Peter when we were chatting the other day, organising today, I said to him, I want rendang's one of my favourite foods. I want rendang for lunch. So he's actually taking me to the restaurant of the guy that's considered the best rendang cook in the world. So I'm excited. I'd rather be eating rendang than walking around parks, but this really is beautiful and relaxing, guys. And guys, this is what the park's really famous for. This view of KL. You can see the whole of KL from here. It's beautiful, guys, and there's a bit of weed on top of the water here, but it's clear. I can see the bottom, I can see all the fish. Beautiful. Okay guys, I don't feel right filming in a really good restaurant. A lot of people will go in and film in the kitchen and film the restaurant, but for me, and there's nothing wrong with them doing it, but people come here to have a nice meal. They don't want someone wandering around with the camera. The restaurant's Dewan and the chef is Chef Dewan, Chef Wan, sorry, and he's considered one of the best chefs in Malaysia. Amazing food. We had a beef rendang and a chicken. The chicken was a bit sweet for me, but still really so full, guys. I'm so full. Now we're going to go and do a bit more touring. Well guys, it's been a while since I've taken you to a war memorial. If you remember in the Australian videos, I used to take you to the Anzac parks in every town. This is the Kuala Lumpur War Memorial. The memorial here. Thing there, and just at the other side. Oh, actually, I'll walk around there and show you. There's a big statue. Yeah. This is the statue overlooking Kuala Lumpur. This is actually quite beautiful. I wasn't expecting this. I'm glad I walked around here. I'm feeling very full after that lunch and very lazy. I almost didn't walk up here. I was just going to tell you about it, but look at this. I'm very glad that I did. Amazing. Well guys, I'm not going to go in. I'm bombed. That meal's put me to bed, and I've got so many videos to edit. But this is the Museum Negara, the main museum of KL. It is well worth a look, guys, but I'm going back to my hotel. I've got plenty to do, plenty of film for make a video. Oh, what a day. So yeah guys, look up Peter when you're in KL. Do half day. It cost me about maybe $12 US an hour. It worked out as, but it was worth it, guys. You could do this, and this is the bus I was talking about this morning. You can get on and off this bus everywhere, and there's Peter now, ready to pick me up. What an incredible day, guys. Thank you so much, Peter. I really, really enjoyed myself. This is the swimming pool at my hotel. Again, guys, I didn't pay for this hotel. It was some of my luxury escapes credit. Look at this. It's the hotel up there. Just amazing. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there, or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.